Hello everyone, I'm Miss Weir, the new curriculum team lead for Maths. Next week we'll be relaunching Hegarty Maths to all year groups as our primary source of home learning. We would really like your support with this as parents and carers. Each learner will be issued with a Hegarty homework book that they will be asked to bring in once per week. In this book they can complete any working out to support them in completing the online tasks that have been set. Also, any catch-up work should they be absent from school. In this case, learners can use their SMAPs to find the correct Hegarty code for the topic missed. Mrs Morgan is now going to give you a short demonstration on the key features of Hegarty.
This is the Hegarty Maths website, hegartymaths.com. When you go to the website, you will see this screen, and there's a green button called Student Login. If you click this button, we need to find the school. Type in Beacon, and it will find a few schools with the word Beacon in, and we are the second one down, Beacon Hill Academy. Click on there and it will bring up enter your details. Here you enter your first name, surname and date of birth, and then hit next. Once you have done that, it will welcome you and ask you to set a password. As you set a password, it will star it, so make sure that you write it in your planner or remember it so you can log in again next time. Once you have logged in, this screen will show, and it shows you the amount of hours that you have done on Hegarty, how many questions you've answered, and how many skills that you have practiced on Hegarty Maths. Now for homework, at the top there is a screen that says, or a little tab that says My Tasks. So at the moment, 4 tasks have been set for this student. If you click there, they will show in a list on this screen. Now the due date is when the homework is due. So this task, for example, is due on Friday the 24th of September. So when your teacher sets you a task, that is the date that it is due, and that is the date that you need to bring your Hegarty Maths book into school for your teacher to see. Now if we start a task by clicking the green tab, this is what shows. And the first thing you need to do is watch the video. The video...
Hi there and welcome to another video from Hegarty Maths. It's Mr Hegarty here, and in this video we're talking about...
has a voiceover which takes you through examples and practice questions. You need to make notes in your Hegarty book as the video is being shown. After you've watched the full video, if you click Do Quiz, a quiz will pop up with questions, anywhere between 10 to 15 questions per task. Now as you go through and answer the questions, there is a little Get Help button. So if you are unsure, you can click Get Help, and what it will do
5/7 subtract 1/7
is pop a video with similar questions to the question that you are on. So there is always help to hand. As we go through the quiz, we can mark our work. So there I've clicked an incorrect answer and it tries to help me. And if we get a correct answer, it will mark the work as we go. You are going to mark the work in your Hegarty book as you go through each task as well. Now once you get to the end, this next question will turn into a submit button, and you can submit the task, and that will be sent to your teacher, and your teacher can see how you have gotten on. Now if you decide to spend a little bit of time on the task, come out of it and go back in, it will turn to complete task. And if you click on complete task, continue quiz, it will start the quiz at the point that you left it last time. And again, once you get to the end, you can submit your questions. Now once you've done your homework, remember to bring your Hegarty book in on the due date that your teacher has set.